How to use social monitoring feature in Bitdefender Parental Control on macOS. On macOS, the Bitdefender Parental Control application checks for the following: messages sent through the web versions of WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. Images sent through the web versions of Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. However, in order to check for these, you will have to allow the Kext driver to load and activate accessibility for the Parental Control app. Allowing the Kext driver to load. At this point, you will be notified that a system extension signed by Bitdefender has been blocked. This is not because of an error. Click on OK. The notification appears because of a new feature introduced with macOS 10.13 High Sierra. This feature enforces that only kernel extensions, KEXT, approved by the user will be loaded on a system. When a request is made to load an extension that the user has not yet approved, the load request is denied and macOS presents an alert similar to the one shown above. Click on the Apple logo in the upper left corner, then select System Preferences. Go to Security and Privacy. Click on the Allow button in the lower part of the window. If necessary, select Bitdefender SRL from the list, then click OK. Bitdefender Parental Control will now be activated on your device. Activating accessibility for the Parental Control app, click on the Apple logo in the upper left corner and select System Preferences. Click on Security and Privacy and click on the Privacy tab. On the left side column, select Accessibility. Click on the lock in the lower left corner of the window and type an administrator username and password. This is necessary in order to make changes. On the right side of the window, click on the plus icon, scroll to the Parental Control app, then click on Open. Finally, close the window.